This is how I got my first sale on TikTok Shop. Hi, my name is Victor and I've made 5 figures in TikTok Shop revenue, leading to just over 1K in TikTok Shop affiliate profits as a beginner. And I'm here to fast track your way to making your first $100 if you've just started out on TikTok Shop, whether you're a seller or a TikTok Shop affiliate. Real quick, if you're serious about making TikTok Shop work and want help from someone that's already done it, I'm offering limited one-on-one coaching spots for the right people. Link is in the description. Let's jump in. What I tried first that didn't work for me was I listened to everyone. I did virtually no research. I was selecting gut feel products and I was creating in a vacuum. So let's talk about these areas real quick. Listening to everyone. I was watching every TikTok video, many YouTube videos, read a lot of blogs, Reddit posts, just a lot of information. And of course, that can lead to something called paralysis analysis. There was all these answers to my one question and it was just so confusing and it was hard to take action because of course you don't know if you're taking action in the right way when there's 1,000 different ways to take action. And that's what really caused me to struggle at the beginning, leading to my next area, which is ironically virtually no research. And when I say no research, I mean when it comes to the products that I was promoting, it was virtually just products that look good, that I felt resonate to me. But beyond that, there was really no research, no validation, no data that proves that I'm going to be able to sell the products that I was picking. And the other thing that I was doing was creating content in a vacuum and not really comparing what I was doing to other people. Now, unless you're someone that's really highly talented, really interesting, that can work, but it can also hurt you. And it's a very painful issue for me because it wasted a lot of time, which hopefully as a result of watching my video here, you're going to avoid entirely. Now, let's look at the one strategy that led to me making my very first sale as a TikTok Shop affiliate. Before we do that, I'm just going to quickly circle back to what I feel I did correctly as a beginner, just to give myself a little bit of credit. So what I feel that I did do a little bit correctly at the beginning was taking action. I'm that kind of person. If I feel I've got the answer and if I feel I've got the resources that I needed and the ability and the willingness to get started, I will take action, just measure the risk. And if it sounds fair to you, take that action, however little it may be. The other thing I feel I did correctly was volume. I mean, volume of content. I was uploading a lot of videos. Now that's good. But the problem is you could be uploading a lot of videos. You could be working hard, right? But you're not necessarily working the right way. You're not necessarily taking action that's going to get you result. Just going to make you an example. Imagine there's 2 different gold diggers. So on one hand, you've got a gold digger that works 12 hours a day digging for gold in this one hole, and they're really struggling, not really getting any sort of signs that there is a seam of gold that they're going to be hitting, and they're really struggling. And on the other hand, you've got another gold digger who only works about 2 hours a day. They found a really good seam of gold and signs that there is some further gold in this area they're working in, and for them they only work around 2 hours a day and they get way more gold than miner A over here. Now, the point of this example is just because you're working hard, it doesn't mean you're working correctly. This guy is working correctly because they know there is gold, they are getting the signs, they know there is some proof, they validated before moving forward. Whereas this guy is just like, I'm going to pick that hole right there. So I strongly advise to really avoid doing that. The third thing that I feel like I did correctly is planning. Okay, so I had a plan in mind. Again, remember, there's 2 sides to the coin here. Just because I have a plan, it doesn't mean it's the right plan, but I did have a plan in mind. And my plan as a busy working parent was to create faceless videos for the most part, which I did change later on in my journey and start, showing my face. I was creating faceless videos using, at the time, TikTok's very own video generator. Having that plan for me did kind of work in terms of seeing views and so forth, but it really wasn't getting me any closer to getting that first conversion and getting that sale, which is really frustrating, right? Because I can see other people that seem to be putting in less of an effort and they're bringing in tons of money. Now, eventually, because I didn't watch a video like this at the beginning, I wasted a lot of time going through that. However, eventually, throughout my fumbling and stumbling in this dark forest, the one strategy that I feel worked for me and led to my first sale. So I'm going to make you an example here before I let you know exactly what that is. So imagine you've just started a brand new fruit and veg stand. You've gone into this market. There's tons of other sellers, other vendors, other stands selling different things. You've not really sold specifically fruit and vegetables in a market. There is a market. People are buying from other people, but they just don't seem to be buying from you. Now, if you continue doing what you're doing, you don't analyze, you don't change, you don't look at what's happening around you, learn from other people and understand exactly who's buying, why they're buying, and what's working for them, of course, you're going to continue and struggle, which is what I did at the beginning. So focusing on research and competitor analysis is what eventually got me to make that initial first sale. Now, what do I mean by research and competitor analysis here? So I'm going to give you some actionable steps which you can take to understand this in a lot more detail. So what I'd like you to do is go into what's called the TikTok Shop product marketplace, which you will have access to if you have got access to TikTok Shop, whether you're an affiliate again or a seller. Now, once you go into TikTok Shop, into the TikTok product marketplace, you will have different categories of different types of products that are being sold there. You'll see a banner there where TikTok is letting you know what's hot this season and what's selling well. And what I want you to do is pick a product. This is all free and this is all within the TikTok app natively. Focus on the following things when I pick the product. Sales volume of that product. Is it currently selling? I looked at the reviews of that product. Anything generally from 4 upwards is with a high volume of sales in the high, sort of mid-high double figures. That means a relatively decent amount of people have given it a good score. So that's a good indicator. But what you also want to look for from a TikTok Shop affiliate's perspective is what other UGC videos are there. You can learn what that person is saying in their video. You can download the video, grab the transcript. You can go into ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to go and analyze that script and give you another version of that you can use yourself. And that is what I started doing. And that's what I feel like eventually got me to that initial sale. And of course, once you get that initial sale, then it's a snowball effect from there. If you are finding value from this, be sure to drop a big thumbs up so more people can hear this message. I'm going to be dropping a ton of similar content on my YouTube channel here. And again, if you are tired of not seeing any results whatsoever on TikTok Shop, even though it feels like you're putting in a ton of effort, I've recently opened up applications for one-to-one coaching. If that sounds good to you, be sure to click the link I've left in the description. Now, if you want a more detailed video about the actionable steps that I've mentioned in terms of what you can do and different strategies you can utilize, whether you're a TikTok Shop affiliate or shop, to pick the right products, proven products that are profitable, that you can promote or sell, the video that you can see on the screen will talk you through exactly how to do that step by step. Even if you're a beginner, I'll see you in there.